Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can just connect your domain to your Shopify. So to do that, you have to just log in or sign up with your Shopify account in your Shopify, as you can see. So here at the left corner, you can see Edge settings. So you have to click on that. So by scrolling down, as you can see at here, domains, uh, upper at the customer event. So you have to click on here at the domains. So here Shopify gives us to buy a new domain, or you can just connect existing domain. So you have to click on this. So here you can see here is our domain. So we have to just open our domain. So I'm now Namecheap. So we can just namecheap.com and we can just here we can just search as Google domains. Okay. So here you can see I can just sign up with my ID. So for example, I am taking here as my domain name as shop XYZ. Okay, shop Z. Okay, shop Z. So we can search it. So as you can see, we will search the same name on our Google domains also. So we can just find a perfect one. Okay, so we can search here and press enter. So here you can see we have a domain dot shopz.com at $6 per year. So we can just buy it. Okay, so let's add this. So here we can just note over here. So as you can see, like 768 available. It's .com is 860. So as you can see, it's also available. So you can change the Indian rupee to US. So this currency apply. So so as you can see, you can wait here. So from here you can see it's available for $12 only for a year. So Namecheap is cheap for buying our domain. So it's costing you about $7 a year. So Google is giving you for $12 a year. So we are choosing this. So we can just add to cart. We can just view the item. So we have to just remove this. So as you can see, it's total about a $7.16. So here we have to add also service. So if you want to add, so it's giving a business email, you can just add. You can add a social media manager also if you want to add. So you can just add. So it's handshake. So what is a handshake? You can see it's for handshake. So handshake means that will be like that will be shared. Okay, domain will be shared. So as you can see, handshake domains are here. So let's do checkout. So here you can see that we have like here you can see. Okay, so we can just set as auto renewal, domain privacy, private DNS. We can just enable it. Okay, so small business week auto renewal is enable. So we can just pro mail to the 1 year what the charges for 1 year. So they will take $30. So we can just do pro mail. So if you want to add, we can just add this. So after confirming this order, it will cost a $40 when you will add all the things. As you can see, we have added a 1 year mail pro mail and pro social like social manager, social media manager. So as you can see, so here you can just fill all details and just do the payment when your domain is like done purchasing. Then like for any Namecheap for Google domains, as you can see, Google domains like we have to purchase this domain, as you can see. So we can just add to our cart. So it has been added. So we go to basket. So here you can see we have a domain. We can just buy this. We can do checkout. So here you can see you have to just like do all detail and just then you have to review the purchase and pay. So this is how you can just buy here. So in here you can just when you will purchase the domain from here, as you can see, if you purchase this domain, so For example, I have purchased, so here I have to just write the domain name or do next. So here you can see this domain is like for available, so I am writing a domain for its purchasing. So we can just write, so the domain, so we can just do next. So here you can see, so we have an option to connecting the domain, like it's asking for verification. So when you will click on verification correction, so here you can see the current IP is my this, and this is the value required. So when you will add the, like when you will verify this to your, like here when you purchase the Namecheap domain, so we have to go to in advanced settings and you have to click on connect the domain. So you have to write their required value and your IP, and then you have to, like when it will be connected, you have to just verify or mail, so it will be connected, okay, successfully. In Namecheap, same goes to Google domains. When you purchase, you have to go to my domains, and then you have to just click on connect, then you have to connect to Shopify with the same, okay. So this is how you can just connect your private domain to your Shopify. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.